A couple weeks ago when we did a comparison video between Vic's ZL1 1LE and Matt's Shelby GT350R, I think the consensus of the biggest downside of the Camaro was it wasn't quite loud enough, especially compared to the Shelby. Well, today we're gonna fix that. We have the ZL1 here. We've got an exhaust going in. Which one? It's a Corsa, right? Yeah. Here we go. Look at the practicality of this thing. Full exhaust in the back. At the Michigan All Out warehouse, gonna put it on the lift, install the exhaust, and see how this thing sounds. Matt is supposed to show up, so we can do a direct comparison between the two. We'll see whose is louder. And then I've got my car here. We can see which. Also got an exhaust on mine, so V10s versus the V8s. We got two R8s here. This thing is a track monster and actually well used on a track too. Yep. Where'd you just go recently? You were in Toronto, weren't you?
Yeah, Toronto.
Was that fun?
Oh yeah. I went to Groton and Waterford.
Waterford and Groton.
I'm supposed to go to Gingerman too, but after the exhaust.
How many people have you lapped? You gotta live up to that license plate. Here we've got the full exhaust laid out. One thing with front engine cars, you have so much more tubing and metal. The difficulties of trying to put a low car on the lift. Oh boy. Now here's Shelby. We have an R8 Shelby sandwich going on right now. Your wheels like don't even drop that much. That's how stiff the suspension is. The factory exhaust has these valves right here. I'm trying to figure out how to try to get them off.
How many engineers does it take?
How many mechanical engineers? We've got like 4 of them here.
This is usually where we yell at people for why the hell did you do this?
Vic not only wears gloves while driving, he always has gloves on. 24/7.
We've already
Artie?
How far can I slide for you? That's the question. All right, ready? Yep.
Whoa, look! Another Audi. Nick is really bad at taking pictures. He doesn't know what to do.
Like this, right? Oh, that was my...
RS7, 2 R8, Shelby 350R. The cool cars keep multiplying. When are you gonna drive your R8 again?
I drove it the other day.
Really?
Yeah.
Was that 3 months ago?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Did you scrape?
No.
No.
Quite.
And it's off! Factory exhaust.
Pain in the ass.
They're always.
Look.
What?
So you think you should get this?
What if somebody just drove over it? Interesting crimps.
So the interesting thing too is that won't affect flow or any power. There are guys that have beaten headers to try and get them to fit, and it doesn't affect them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you need that heat shielding?
Probably.
First piece has to go into the factory clamp.
This is gonna be the hardest one.
That'll be fun.
But you gotta kind of push it up too, or the top's gonna.
So the hard part is this clamp is welded on. So lots of WD-40. 2 are lined up.
Straight pipe all the way back.
Straight pipe, we're done. We're done, we're gonna leave it like this. See what it sounds like.
So what are you doing with this?
This will definitely be louder than the Shelby now.
Oh, yeah.
You can see the DSSV shocks from Multimatic. Got their slogan, security, or strength through technology. It says Multimatic. I don't know why I said security. Vic here is cleaning the underside of his car instead of putting the exhaust on, come on.
Hey.
Hey, what?
The only time it's gonna be on the list.
I mean, you hope. So, we just installed the heat shield on the wrong side. Unwrapping the tips. They're just covered in plastic. Nice and shiny, polished. Corsa Performance exhaust. Dropped it down a little bit so we can see the tips. Well, that doesn't look good anymore. Getting everything clamped down. Oh, there. Torquing everything down. Almost done. Oh, yeah. That's loud. That sounds good. Listen to that. That sounds mean. ZL1 is back on the ground. A little bit dusty, but now significantly louder. And still looking equivalently as mean. That's the sound of America right there. I'm not even about to try. Even though mine has exhaust, these are pretty beastly loud.
Got memory seats. Wait. Got mine.
He's got to film this. You got to film it.
Whenever you're ready.
You happy? Yeah. That's what you wanted, though.
Let's put it back on the lift.
There we go. What do you want it back on the lift? What?
Putting the stock one back.
Oh. There we go. That's what it's like to install a Corsa exhaust on a Camaro ZL1 1LE. Now that thing sounds evil. It's mean. Beast of a track car. Hope you guys liked the video. This was fun. Despite taking, how many hours was that? 5 hours?
It's a 1 hour job.
1 hour job.
But it's really like
Whenever you work on cars. Yeah. There we go.